let's turn our attention to the perfect fourth. Now, the perfect fourth is an easily recognized interval from Here Comes the Bride. So you can get that in your ear and even solfege it. Do, fa, go up the half step and keep raising in half steps. Firstly, sit at the piano and sing them. And doing this with all intervals is part of what I recommend for this text. It's ear training. And then you'll be able to not only sing each interval confidently, but you'll be able to hear it in your head when you see it on the page. So let's look now at interval study number 5, the perfect fourths. And the nice thing about this in the low register is it really follows the slide up and follows the slide position, so you don't have to change positions for the majority of these intervals. I'll show you what I mean. So we start on a C. Wrong glasses, so I have to take this off to be able to see. But we start on the C, and we go up to the F. C sharp to F sharp. So we follow that all the way up to the first position. So we can actually start in 7th on B natural. To change positions, and it's just displaced by one position. So we're going to go from our F sharp to our B natural, 5-4, 5-4, and then follow that sequence. And for the last two, B flat to E flat. So ascending up, that goes like this. I'll put the metronome on 60, and we're going to start off nice and quarter notes. 3. Down to the 7th. So that is the perfect fourth intervals, and you can start with just the quarter note, and once you have that in your ear and under your slide, and you can do that beautifully at a quarter note, maybe increase the tempo to 8th notes, and maybe a da, change the articulation, da tonguing, legato tonguing, tenuto tonguing, and staccato tonguing. So then work it up to the 8th note. And of course, vary your dynamics. Piano. Work it up to forte and come back down. So those are the perfect fourth intervals, and spend a good few days on those, memorize them, and get them in your ear and under your slide. Different articulations and different dynamics. Piano, mezzo forte, and forte.